So, project overview. Mentor Hub is a modern mentorship platform that connects mentors and mentees. It enables users to register, browse mentors, book sessions, and manage their mentorship journey through a responsive web interface. So, coming on to the directory structure, we have the main source folder, which contains the components, context, data, layouts, pages, and other files too. And we have the package.json, which consists of all the required dependencies, and the package log.json, which logs the particular version of the dependency. And we have the readme file, which shows and which goes through the code, and which shows how to install the code and all. And coming on to the tailwind config.json, this is the css which is responsible for styling the website. And now coming on to the components, we have the main first one, the app.tsx, which is the main React component that completely setups the routing and context providers. This connects to the main.tsx, where which is this is the entry point that renders the React app completely. And after this, we go to the index.css. Index.css is responsible for styling. Next, we have different components such as the availability selector, which is responsible for looking if the mentor is available or not. And the mentor card contains the details of the mentor. And private route is responsible for keeping the session logged in if a user is logged in or not. And there are various cards like this, a session card and various one. And there are also pages through which we can manage our complete website. The dashboard.txx and the feedback one, we can go to the home and see all the bookings of the mentors or the mentee one. So we have different pages for these. So to run this, we need to first install all the dependencies. If we haven't installed, we can install all the dependencies by running the npm install command. I have already installed all the dependencies, so there is no need of installing it again. I am directly running the project. So after you run it, it is hosted on the default port 5173. So after you open, it is the default home page of the app. Like the navbar contains the features, testimonials, frequently asked questions and all. So let's click on get started. So we need to create an account. Let's create an account. If we want to join as a mentee, then we can select as mentee or as a mentor. I'll select as a mentee and join. So after joining, we can see that see our profile. In the profile section, we can see your basic information like the full name and the email that you have given just for logging in. And you can also add about yourself something like this. And if you are expert in some other skills like Python, you can add them too. As you can see, I just now added this. And coming on to the dashboard, we have it is showing that if, this user has attended the 24 sessions, and he has connected with the 7 mentors, and he has completed 36 hours of learning, and he has these 3 sessions which he needs to attend. He can go to the view all session in order to see which are all the session that he has. And there is also the time and date. So if he clicks on a join meeting, he goes to the it needs to be already decided to join the meeting and all. So these are the session, and in the past he has completed these many sessions. And coming on to the mentors, he can connect with these many mentors, and a particular mentor has been working in these companies and they have their ratings and all. And you could also search for a particular mentor. For example, if I want for James, I could search for this. And if you want like a mentor of a relevant skill, for example, I want a mentor of a React skill, then I could select this. I could sort also. And coming on to, if I need to give feedback or a rating, then I could see here feedback received and feedback given. This is all about the project. Thank you.